day. Yes, good day today for the punters. My girlfriend, all-time highs, Silver. We'll get to her. Alright, so we start with welcome to the Daily Ninja Show, 17th of December. So the tank, it was up 1%. So well done to those who picked him up yesterday. So it looks like this old 20-day moving average seems to be a good time. Mr. Woodside pulled him back today. VAS. So VAS is, well, it was without the tank, it would be a lot worse. If we look at the XFJ, the financial index, it's dropping back down, resistance there. Commonwealth Bank looks pretty sick. ATEC, our tech sector, looks pretty sick and might not a buy yet. CSL, wow, coming down to pretty major support here on CSL. Let's see, okay, so America, what's happening over there last night? So that was down a little bit. It's probably setting up to have a Christmas run, I think. Nasdaq, so it looks fine. Okay, so gold hasn't done it just yet, but he's getting very close there to all-time highs. So Aussie dollar gold looking very nice. So the XGD, so we popped our head up to all-time highs, so we'll actually have a look at those that got over 5. That's the hurdle today, 5%. So the miners ETF, I guess they're waiting to see what American gold stocks do tonight. Miners, GDX. Oh yeah, and I had a subscriber who started his journey in Host Plus, making up his own tank, which GDX you can get, as well as Oz Super. So Newmont here, so only just up 1%. It's going to wait for the rest of the American gang. Northern Star, nice candle there. That will follow through tomorrow if America rallies, or especially if gold makes new highs. GDXJ, so this is from last night. So Evolution, that's as bullish as you can get. Right down here, tap support and then back up. So that's going to rock. Okay, so which of our guys got over 5? So Alkane, looks nice. BC8, is he going to do it? Is this the time for those patient holders? BGL, wow. I know someone who, yeah, anyway, get on with it, Rudy. Okay, so CYO, I missed the buy arrow on him this weekend, so it looks like he's going to get on with it. Genesis, nice. OBM, nice. So these are guys all got over 5. Pantoro, well, that's one of nice support there. Regis, highs. Westgold, look at that, another one of those big bull candles, nice. None of the small producers got over 5. Some of our developers, AAR, got 10. AUC, MAU, still needs to do a bit more though. MM8, and Saturn. Anyone else? No. So well done if you're holding them. Okay, copper, Dr. Copper. Okay, copper price, that's all you can ask for, holding above support. So the wire ETF, again a lot of American guys over there. So this is the Australian version though. Not probably a good time to buy that, I'd say. Okay, so some of the boys, the American ones. So this is obviously from last night. First Quantum, Anto. So they'll probably all in Southern Copper. So they're all a bit subdued. Tonight should be different. Our boys, so BHP. Yeah, I think around here's, oh, there's a gap there though. Probably around here, if he can hang around here for a bit. Sandfire, Capstone, and DVP. Nice areas around here. Alright, well they're just waiting for copper to confirm. CopJ, so that's last night in America. So some of our boys. AIS still sitting pretty. 29M starting to break out of that little wedge there. KGL's broken out of that triangle there, so that looks good. How did Capstone was up over 5? Alright, that's just consolidating. So all looking good. Uranium. So URNM. Alright, so it looks like we're starting to catch a bit of a bid now. So Kamiko. Well, that's not helping very much. So this is last night's candle. Yeah, maybe a bit more downside, although maybe support here. Sput. Actually, we didn't look at the uranium spot price. Yeah, so that's just hanging in there. So URNM's hanging up pretty well for what happened there. URNJ, so that's from last night. So UEC's the big holding. Should find support around there. Our boys. Palladium. Looks like that's good support there. Boss. No, he doesn't look very healthy. Bannerman. Getting a giddy up again. Deep Yellow. Looks fine too. Alright. Rare Earth Gang. So the ETF, REMX. It's okay. Linus. Oh my god. So Linus is right on support there. Well, not much you can do. MP Materials. Looks like it's catching a bid. Aluka. I think it's going to come back down here. So the rare earth people haven't helped very much. It's okay, we got the gold going. Lithium. So the lithium boys have done alright actually. So the lithium price, so again still very bullish. Lit P, so consolidating. Pilbara, yeah, consolidating to the upside. Gang Feng, so SQM, above resistance there. IGO, hey, the one that should be selling, because anyway, it is what it is. Liontown, so that looks like it wants to go too. ELV, getting on with it. AGY, getting on with it. Oh, there's the little wedge broken. GL1, got support there. GLN, the same. LK1, so they've all got a near support level. And even Vol caught a bid, I wouldn't touch it. Okay, oil. Well, let's go to the daily. Well, was gonna go down last night, and now we're having a bit of a bounce. Look at that. Is that the bottom of the oil price? Natural gas, go to a weekly. Okay, and will the 20-week provide support? That's pretty hard to bounce from that though. So the big fella, daily, they did a daily now. Okay, so he's at a good support there. That's a really nice washout. Not that you want that, but that's quite. I think we complete an A, B, C correction. So tomorrow, if he's got a green candle and you haven't got him, I think back up the truck on the dividend. It's a retirement stock, that one. His div's probably now in the mids, in the 7s now at this price. Okay, all right. Okay, on to the girlfriend. So here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, go to a daily. That's the weekly. Oh, we should pay respect and look at this 3 monthly chart. So there's the whoop to the whoop to the. Look at that. 50 years of freedom, been locked up in the cupboard she has, and she's loving the fresh air. So target prices now. So we had this one here, this to hit here. So I'd hit it, but so we had a little bit of a correction. So now we've got if we go to an hourly chart, we've got a bit of a flag going there with a flagpole. So new target price, $72 is next projection. I'd be pretty happy if that's the only correction she has. So she's off. I hope those shorts are getting caned from the punishment they used to give me. The gold silver ratio, go to a monthly. So silver's way outperforming gold now. If it takes out this level here, it's just going to be free fall. Silver outperforming gold. Zinc. So zinc's coming back to support. Lead. Jeez. Doesn't look healthy. So ETP mags at 5%. My God. Buying her at 40. She's doubled over. Okay, SILJ. Alright, so this is obviously last night. So I think we're going to have a big night for SILJ tonight. Just looking at, so this is SILJ over the NASDAQ index. So you can see the NASDAQ's been kicking her ass. But you wait for tonight, she's going to be total outperformance of the NASDAQ. That's my call. So the stock's underneath it. So Heckler's going to big run tonight. First Majestic, big run. Kua, it's got that gold. I mean, if gold breaks, this thing deserves to get back up here. Endeavour. So they're all going to have good nights. And Aya, they're all in XMET. So so it's interesting how they price these. Because the majority of the stocks in here are in the US. So that would have been, if you haven't got him now, yeah, you should have got him. Because that's going to rip that one. So South 32, it's back to support. It would be a good time to buy him. Okay, so let's have a look at our little silver stocks. Okay, so we got Pole. Still, oh well, he's hasn't broken through yet. He should. He's producing. My Kitchen Rule. Same. What are they waiting for? My God. BHM. Same. Everyone's nervous. BML. Well, that's nothing. MMA. Well, that's forming a nice little bottom there. SVL. So that looks good. AVM. So that's another nice little bottom forming there. Well, this one, there you go, AQI, bingo. Look at that. 53%. There's that thing, you just break above resistance and you sit for a couple of weeks, then bang. Oh, but well, they do have a good silver project in Sweden, but they bought this gold for 60 million off West Gold, and it's a bit of a pearler of a resource. Well done. Andean. So Andean's, it just needs to consolidate. Looks fine. BKB at resistance. That old. Actually, we can start doing some target prices, not now, because they're all starting to form patterns now. LDR. So there's a nice little wedge going on there. West Coast Eagles. They're getting, so there's a very, very nervous bunch today. Ardent, same. ILT, same. Probably no one knew silver made all-time highs during the day. They're all too busy working. Investigator, so that's popped its head above resistance now. Sun Silver. So Sun Silver's getting a bit of a rounded bottom there that I could see, which is very nice. And USL, well, that looks pretty good too. There's your flagpole and your flag. Add it to there. So maybe in the next video we can do some silver stock projections. Alright, let us know your thoughts. Did you have a good day? You have something better that performed? Alright, have a good one. And good luck tonight for those US ETF holders.